I haven't even begun, but I feel very happy already. It's so quiet today, as always. I feel like this is something I realized this morning. Because I noticed I have developed this habit of smiling as soon as I open my eyes. I just smile. I don't know. There might be a reason, or there might be. But sometimes there isn't a reason why I smile when I wake up. I just feel like it. I just feel like it. The mouth or the body moves on its own. And I guess it's better than I guess it's better than when I was younger. Because when I was younger, my God, there is real substance in here. As you can see, it's smoking. It's not just water. And it's piping hot still, so I'm gonna drink like this again, or maybe like this. My hands are shaking, as you can see. I forgot something. La 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 la. I really like sitting here because I feel very connected with the inner voice whenever I sit here. But yeah, what was it that I was... Well, I better not continue down that road. I can, but I'm not sure if it's developed yet, because I was also thinking about that this morning when I was younger, how different it was when I woke up as opposed to what has been happening consistently in the mornings. I forgot when it started, but that has been what's happening. The first thing I do when I wake up is that I don't know, I feel happy and excited, and not happy sounds shallow, but joyful. I feel joyful. I feel like I have this access to some kind of cosmic joy. Something like that. And I feel that the loudest during the morning, so maybe that alone can make me smile, and that's enough to make the human part smile. But when I was younger, it's different. Maybe we can try to explore. when I was younger, it's not really, I'm not happy to open my eyes again in the morning. I'm like, why can't I just be pulled by the exit sign while I am sleeping? Why do I have to wake up again? I'm tired and I wanna rest, and yeah. And I'm gonna tell you something that I haven't told my mother. So I hope she will not see this, because she knows about these things. She knows about it. But I'm not sure if she looks at it or if she's very busy. But when I was young, or when I when I was a teenager, or maybe I don't know how old I am, there was this actor in where I was born. He died in his sleep. And I don't know how true this is, but the grown-ups around me said that the reason why he died is because he ate a lot. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be laughing. He ate a lot, and then he slept, and then he had a cardiac arrest, and then he didn't wake up anymore. I'm not sure how true it was. But he was so famous. He was so famous. And he has this very kind face. I can still remember his face. He has this very kind warmth radiating whenever. Even, I don't think he ever had mean roles ever because of his face. It just won't work. Nobody will believe that he is mean because his face just even when he's angry in the soap opera, it's almost like you cannot believe that this person is capable of anger. So yeah, it makes sense that he never really got mean roles. But yeah, he died when he was young. I'm not sure how old he was. But my memory tells me that he's 27. And 27 in the artistic realm is a very... the age of 27. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe he's not 27. But along those age. So that was the grown-ups were speaking that, oh, that's the reason why he died in his sleep, because he ate a lot, he didn't rest, and he had a heart attack. And I'm like, so that's what makes someone die. So I tried. Now that I remember it, I'm not a teenager when I tried this, because when I was a teenager, he was already dead. He was already dead. Because he's very famous in the late 90s. I think early 2000s. So I'm not yet a teenager then, but so maybe I'm not yet a teenager when I tried. And then I ate a lot. And then I went to sleep. But then I woke up again. I'm like, these adults, they don't know what they're talking about. They don't know what they're talking about. So yeah. There's that. So that's a huge contrast. That's a huge contrast. when it comes to the mornings now and when I was younger. And maybe you will ask me, well, what did you do? How did you change that kind of approach to being awake? The answer is, I don't know. I'm not really sure. But whatever it is, it was not a one-day process. It was not a one-day process. It's a decades process, maybe. Or maybe I wasn't really paying attention of actively resolving the issue, and then at some point I'm like, wait, I cannot live like this anymore, so I will learn how not to live like this anymore. And I tried experiments. And maybe something worked along the way, and it kept on working, and then we are now led to this. We smile at the mornings. And it has taken scientific approach and creative approach to get to this point.